Okay, this is Craig from Gosling and Mobility, and we've fitted a Carolift 40 into this Audi A4, which is lifting a Smarty scooter, and it's a saloon car, so it's quite a tight fit. Do you want to show us, Craig?
Yep. Okay. Just pull this out to protect the bumper. You've got to fold the hoist arm out, and it only just comes out this gap here.
Yeah, I can see that.
And then it locks into place. Just got to watch you don't catch this cable. And you just slide.
Just manually pull it out, yeah? Just
pull it out a little
just
bit.
slide it along the boot floor, yeah?
And then take the tension.
And the operating button's on the top, and using that with your left hand. Pick up some tension, not too quickly so it doesn't catch that boot, the rubber seal in.
Yep. And just guide it out.
Yeah.
I'll just put my hand there, just taking it up a fraction. So I've set this so it lifts this horizontally. You not go past the white ribbon there. White stitching. Pull it out, and then as it's going down you can let it sort of fall onto its wheels like that, and then disconnect it there and there. Take it out. And then you just got to hold this, release the catch there. It's got a gas strut that assists you. And as I say, you just got to post it in there.
See that little gap? Yeah.
That little gap, like that. And lie it flat in there.
So let's have a look at it in the boot. Very good.
And that's it.